And in the latest statement, Union Home Minister Amit Shah has stated that Congress's pitch to end quota is baseless. In fact, Amit Shah, in a press conference today, lashed out at the Congress party for spreading rumours. Amit Shah accused the Congress of appeasement politics. In fact, he blamed the Congress party of spreading fake videos of him to fearmonger ahead of polls. Listen into what Amit Shah had to say.
एसटी, एससी, ओबीसी के आरक्षण में किसी एक राजनीतिक दल ने अगर डाका डाला है तो वो कांग्रेस पार्टी ने डाला है। सबसे पहले उन्होंने संयुक्त आंध्र प्रदेश में मुसलमानों को रिजर्वेशन दिया। वो रिजर्वेशन के कारण ओबीसी का रिजर्वेशन कटा। उसके बाद में कर्नाटक में रातों रात कोई सर्वे के करे बगैर, पिछड़ापन तय करे बगैर सारे मुसलमानों को ओबीसी कैटेगरी में डालकर उनके लिए 4% का कोटा रिजर्व कर दिया। इससे भी पिछड़ा वर्ग का रिजर्वेशन कटा है। कांग्रेस पार्टी एक झूठ फैलाकर जनता के बीच में भ्रांति पैदा करना चाहती है। मैं ये बात स्पष्ट कर देना चाहता हूं कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी एसटी, एससी, ओबीसी के आरक्षण की समर्थक है और हमेशा इसके संरक्षक के रूप में अपनी भूमिका निभाएगी।
In fact, we heard Amit Shah. Of course, Amit Shah has lashed out at the Congress party over what he says is Congress's fakery, claiming and alleged that the Congress is spreading fake news ahead of the polls. In fact, we have Sabyasachi who's joining us live on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, the reservation row is literally exploding, and now it's Union Home Minister Amit Shah's fake video, which is in the eye of the storm. BJP, Amit Shah himself upping the ante against the Congress, saying that the Congress's claims that BJP will end the quota system is baseless.
Well, absolutely. See, Union Home Minister Amit Shah says that what the Congress party is claiming, if the BJP comes into power, they would end the reservation. It is absolutely false and baseless, and the BJP cannot even think about it, cannot even speak these words. And this was said both by Union Home Minister Amit Shah as well as Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Both of them have said that it is a larger conspiracy. If you see time and again such fake videos of Prime Minister Narendra Modi targeting Home Minister Amit Shah are being coming out. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself, while addressing a public rally, he said that in this matter it is quite serious and action would be taken. And he targeted the opposition leaders, stating that the opposition parties cannot fight the BJP directly, and that is the reason why they are spreading such fake videos outside to create a communal unrest in the country. Now, he also warns the public that if the public comes across any sort of video, they should immediately put it out to the BJP or to the local administration, and they should immediately take action against it. Now, the Congress party says that these are all tactics from the BJP as they want to divert the people of the country from the main issue. Now, we have seen that so far in this matter, around 5 notices has been sent to the Telangana Congress members, one including to the Chief Minister of Telangana, Revant Reddy. Now, Revant Reddy says that it is a new tactic of the BJP to send Delhi police and target the Congress, but he says that the Telangana Congress, including him, is not afraid of the Delhi police or the tactics of the BJP. And the Congress, in fact, have also said that if the BJP in the BJP ruled state would use the police to target the Congress leaders, then in the Congress ruled states, the state police would also target the BJP leaders. Now the war of words is escalating over the reservation row, where the BJP has cleared it out that no such words, and the BJP can't even think of ending the reservation, though they have said that they talk about the reservation that would be given to the Muslim community, which does not comes under the OBC. That is the fact that they have said, but ending the reservation for the scheduled caste, for the scheduled tribes, or
Absolutely.
for the OBC is something.
You're right, Sabyasachi, of course, as far as Amit Shah is concerned, he's clarified that all these reports and rumours are baseless. In fact, he has launched a full frontal attack on the Congress party over that fake video. We have many more reactions coming in. In fact, breaking